Welcome to MazeMunch. It is an exciting video game, written in Python Arcade, where you play as a turtle with a never-ending appetite for apples. Your objective is to navigate through a challenging maze, hunting down and gobbling up as many juicy apples as you can find, whether playing against the computer or with friends. Let's dive into the game and see who can become the ultimate maze muncher. In this video, we are going to learn how to create our own mazes for turtles, how to play as a turtle, how computer calculates its path using a star pathfinding algorithm. However, you can create any maze you want. In order to build your first maze, open the main menu by pressing ESC. On top, you can set the size of the maze. By clicking on an empty space or object, you can choose what object to place. It can be turtle, obstacle, apple, or empty space. After you are done setting all objects in the maze, press ESC to open main menu, then name your maze and click Save. You have done it. Now you can select your maze from the main list. A star is a pathfinding algorithm that searches for the shortest path according to all nodes that it had visited. A node is a position that turtle can be on. Note that algorithm does not search for the best path possible because it doesn't visit all nodes. It's a necessary trade-off in order to save time computing the path. Formula that governs what nodes to favor is F equals H plus G. H is distance from turtle to apple, calculated using Pythagorean theorem. G is number of nodes that turtle has traveled from start to current node. And F is a sum of H and G. It is the cost for getting to a node. Algorithm always picks the nodes with the least cost. Algorithm calculates costs of nodes until it reaches the destination. Once destination node is reached, path is created by reversing the linked list of nodes.